If you want to analyze audience feedback more effectively, Livestorm Analytics is a powerful tool that helps you turn raw data into valuable insights. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to leverage Livestorm's analytics to understand what your audience is really saying and improve your future events. First, let's talk about Livestorm's dashboard. When you log in, the first thing you'll notice is the overview page, which gives you a snapshot of your recent events. It's a great place to get a quick sense of how your webinars or live events are performing. You'll find key metrics such as attendee engagement, drop-off rates, and overall participation. But what about feedback from your audience? This is where Livestorm's analytics really shines. After your event, head over to the Analytics tab. Here, you'll see a detailed breakdown of participant behavior. This includes things like poll responses, Q&A interactions, and chat messages. Livestorm allows you to track which questions your audience engaged with most and which content kept them hooked. This data is invaluable when it comes to improving your future events and tailoring your content. You can also see how many people attended your event in real time, as well as how many stayed for the entire duration. If you notice a sharp drop-off at a particular point, it might be time to adjust your content or presentation style to keep the audience engaged. Livestorm Analytics can help you pinpoint exactly where your content may need improvement. But what about the specific feedback from your participants? Livestorm makes it easy to collect feedback with surveys. After your event, you can send out custom surveys to get even deeper insights into how your audience felt about the event. You can tailor these surveys to ask the right questions, whether it's about content quality, presentation style, or overall experience. One feature that's a game changer is Livestorm's engagement scoring. It measures how actively your attendees are participating throughout your event. Are they responding to polls, asking questions, engaging in the chat? This feature helps you determine which parts of your presentation generated the most buzz. If you're using Livestorm to host multiple events, you'll appreciate the ability to compare analytics across different sessions. Livestorm provides easy-to-read graphs and charts that allow you to track your progress over time. You'll quickly see what's working and what needs tweaking to boost engagement. As you dive deeper into the analytics, remember that you're not just collecting data for the sake of it, you're gathering actionable insights. Livestorm Analytics gives you the tools to create better content, improve engagement, and ensure your future events are even more successful. Now, here's a bonus for you. You can use Livestorm for completely free from the first link below with our exclusive bonuses. This extended free trial will give you access to everything you need to analyze your audience feedback and optimize your virtual events. So, if you're serious about improving your webinars or live events, Livestorm Analytics is a must-have tool in your digital marketing toolkit. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to get your exclusive free trial and start leveraging these powerful insights today.